Hello friends, welcome in our channel Fans of Agriculture. If are new in our channel, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you. And we will start today's lecture. So
Geology. The options are: first is Stephen Hales, second one is Robert Hill, third one is Van Helmont, and the last option is Priestley. Yes, the answer is the father of plant physiology is Stephen Hales. And see here, Stephen Hales was in 1727 the father of plant physiology. He first explained the relationship between sunlight and leaves. Also, he discovered the green plants required sunlight for their nourishment. Second question. See here, who discovered the first oxygen and by which experiment? Who discovered the first oxygen and by which experiment? First option is J. Priestley and bell jar experiment. Second is Emerson and photochemical experiment. Third is J. Priestley and tube experiment. And the last is Engelmann and action spectrum experiment. The correct answer is J. Priestley and bell jar experiment. This is the correct. You can see it is the bell jar experiment, the rat candle, and it is a jar. Hence it is called as bell jar experiment. In this, the rat get died, and after putting one plant, so the rat will be alive. Next question. Third question. The photolysis of water is also known as: first, Emerson experiment; second, Blackman reaction; third, Calvin reaction; and fourth is Hill's reaction. The correct option is the photolysis of water is also known as Hill's reaction. You see here, Robert Hill in 1937 he discovered the production of O2 without acceptance of CO2 fixations. The Hill's reaction. In this, Hill's reagent is 2,6-DCPIP, means 2,6-dichlorophenol indophenol, and it is also called as photolysis of water. Here see the reaction of photolysis of water. And we can go next question. Fourth question. Who plotted the action spectrum of photosynthesis? And first option is Calvin, second is Mayer, third is Blackman, and the last option is Engelmann. The action spectrum of photosynthesis was given by the Engelmann. See, correct answer. This is the Engelmann experiment. In this, we will see the chloroplast. In this chloroplast, the prism will be put and the light will be given, and we will see the accumulation of bacteria in the blue and red region more. So this is the Engelmann's experiment. We can go to the next question. Fifth one. The first stable product of photosynthesis is: option is CO2, second is sucrose, third is starch, and the last one is salt. Okay, the first stable product of photosynthesis is CO2, sucrose, starch, or salt. The correct answer is starch. We'll go to the next question. Sorry. Next question.
Sixth question is Ruben Hassid and Kamen proved oxygen evolved in the photosynthesis comes from. First option is CO2, both H2O and CO2. Third option is CO, and the last option is H2O. The oxygen evolved in the photosynthesis comes from. The correct answer is H2O. We can move to the next question. Mr. Melvin Calvin got a Nobel Prize because of he discovered. The first option is photolysis of water, second option is C4 cycle, third option is oxygen, and fourth option is C3 cycle. So Melvin Calvin get Nobel Prize because of he discovered the C3 cycle. So we can see this theory of Melvin Calvin. And the next one we can start. Next, eighth question is the chlorophyll A is a secondary photosynthetic pigment, second option yellow pigment, third is accessory pigment, and last option is primary photosynthetic pigment. Chlorophyll A is a, the correct answer will be chlorophyll A is a primary photosynthetic pigment. You can see about more information of chlorophyll A. You see chlorophyll A is a blue-green pigment. The empirical formula is C55H72 on O5 N4 and magnesium. CH3 group on third carbon in chlorophyll A, and it is present in all photosynthetic organisms except photosynthetic bacteria. It converts light energy into chemical energy, and it is an essential pigment or primary photosynthetic pigment. And this is about chlorophyll B. It is yellowish green pigment, and CHO group on a third carbon. It is present in air plant, green algae, bryophytes, and all vascular plants. It transfers absorbed light to chlorophyll A. It is an accessory pigment. It is also helpful for the difference between in chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. So can go next. The ninth question is which is the major carotene found in the plants? First option is alpha carotene, second option is beta carotene, third option is saturated carotene, and the last is xanthophylls. So the major carotenes found in the plants are the correct answer is the beta carotene. Now see, this is the about beta carotene. Some information. It is orange in color. It is unsaturated hydrocarbons. You see the empirical formula C40 and H56. It shows the unsaturated hydrocarbons containing the carotenes, and it is insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. Beta carotene is a major carotene found in the plants. Close. We can go to the next question. Which is the major xanthophyll found in plants? And so the first option is carotene, second is blutin, third is xanthine, and last option is lutein. So major xanthophyll found in plants is, the correct option is a lutein. It is a major xanthophyll found in plants. Extra information about xanthophyll. It is yellow in color and it is oxidized form of carotenes. The empirical formula is C40H55 and O2. It is insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. The lutein is a major xanthophyll in plants. Okay. Next one. The carotenoids protect chlorophyll A from, first option is reduction, second is photoexcitation, third is photooxidation, and the last is phototranspiration. So the carotenoids protect chlorophyll A from, the correct option is photooxidation. see about extra information. Carotenoids are the fat-soluble lipid compound. It is distributed in chloroplast and chromoplast. The functions are primarily absorb blue-violet region of visible spectrum, and it transfers light to chlorophyll A. Thus, it functions as accessory pigment. It protects chlorophyll A from photooxidation. The last question in this quiz: a DNA present in chloroplasts, which are first is non-replicating and autonomous, second option is self-replicating and semi-autonomous, and third option is self-replicating and autonomous, and fourth option is non-replicating and semi-autonomous. It is a very complicated one, so give the answer. The correct answer is self-replicating and semi-autonomous. You will see it is structure of chloroplast, which is drawn by me. So you can see DNA, which is self-replicating and semi-autonomous. In this, these are the thylakoids. In this granum, 40 to 60 grana combines the granum made, and in this ATP synthesis takes place. This is the stroma, this is the ribosomes, small one, and in this is the Prit membrane, also called as integral membrane, and in grana light reaction takes place, and in stroma dark reaction takes place. So thank you. Here will our quiz ends. Thank you, friends.